These are Otis MCS 312 lifts at Building 76. Spec 60s. These are modern, so may as well get one last take of them. Going up. Good cab view. Before someone gets in. Very old fashioned looking roof. Oh, very bouncy. Nice Otilec buttons. These are getting modded, not replaced. Only one's getting replaced is Parnell. The rest are getting modded. The other one, lift 5. Can't seem to drawing better. Look at the ones on this floor. Love that. Look at the specs. This is MCS 312. MCS 312, Otis OVL doors, OVF drive. Do photos of the motorroom. Not sure when these will get modded. Damn it.